Hi, good morning, Michael. So, put your backpack. Ready to go to school. Alright. Put it on. Put your hood up. Are you ready? Oh. Okay. Dion, open the door, please.
Mama?
Yes.
I like my sweatshirt.
Yeah.
Wow. This way, Mama. My sweatshirt is this way.
Alright. Oh, thank you, Dion. Bye, Michael. See you later. Have fun, Michael. Enjoy your school. See you later. Bye. See you later, anak. Hello! So, nakaalis na yung mga brothers ng anak ko. Si Dion at saka si Michael. Si Dion, he's the one is the grade 1. First grade. And then Michael is kindergarten. And now, Sophia is here. Nagdede. Uy! Ang baby. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.